This super tender, tangy lemon chicken comes together with simple ingredients and offers the superior flavor and nutrition of chicken that is cooked with the bone. This is a great recipe if you like to meal prep, as the chicken will need to marinate 8 hours or overnight. If you don't have wine, you can substitute apple juice. I like to use avocado oil mayo, and you'll need a sprayed baking pan. Combine the mayo, mustard, lemon rind, and parsley in a bowl. Carefully lift the skin and insert 2 teaspoons of sauce, pressing the outside of the skin to spread the sauce evenly over the chicken. Then combine the remaining sauce with the wine and the juice from 1 lemon. I'm using a half a lemon because my lemon is quite large. You'll also need 3/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Whisk this and then pour it over the chicken. Cover and refrigerate 8 hours or overnight. After 8 hours, bake the chicken in a preheated 350-degree oven, uncovered, for 32 to 37 minutes, making sure the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. This creamy, tender chicken is great served over rice or with roasted potatoes. I hope your family enjoys this recipe. Leave your comments below, and please like this video and subscribe to receive a new recipe each week.